When we think of astronauts, we often imagine the bulky, cumbersome spacesuits of the past. Complex, clunky, and heavy, designed more for protection than comfort. But in the 21st century, SpaceX has revolutionized the way we think about spacesuits. With the introduction of the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacesuit, the company has transformed astronaut apparel into a stunning combination of function, safety, and sleek design. In just a few short years, SpaceX has gone from an outsider in the space industry to a leader in space exploration. Their spacecraft have changed the way we send astronauts to space, and now, their spacesuit has redefined how astronauts prepare to journey beyond Earth. So how did SpaceX master the art of spacesuits? What challenges did they face, and how did they overcome them? Let's dive into the story behind the creation of the Crew Dragon spacesuit, a suit designed for the future of space travel. The journey to the modern spacesuit is one that began decades ago with NASA's Apollo missions. Early spacesuits were designed for survival, to protect astronauts from the harsh conditions of space, vacuum, radiation, and extreme temperatures. But as technology advanced, the design of spacesuits evolved as well. What began as heavy, restrictive gear has slowly transformed into something more streamlined and practical. Yet, despite the advancements made, the traditional spacesuit remained cumbersome and inefficient, especially when it came to the wearer's mobility and comfort. They were essential for survival, but didn't offer much in terms of ease of movement. The design had remained relatively static, as the focus remained on safety rather than aesthetics or functionality. When Elon Musk's SpaceX took on the task of sending astronauts to the International Space Station aboard their Crew Dragon spacecraft, they didn't just want to launch a mission, they wanted to revolutionize the way astronauts interact with space. And this meant rethinking every aspect of space travel, including the spacesuit. SpaceX's vision for the spacesuit wasn't just about protection. It was about comfort, mobility, and usability. In 2015, SpaceX revealed the first glimpse of their Crew Dragon spacesuit, a sleek, form-fitting garment that immediately stood apart from the bulky, outdated designs of the past. Unlike NASA's traditional suits, the SpaceX spacesuit was designed with modern materials and cutting-edge technology in mind, prioritizing the needs of the astronaut while maintaining the crucial protections needed for survival in space. SpaceX's spacesuit isn't just a new look, it's a complete rethinking of what a spacesuit can be. The key to its design is the combination of advanced materials, streamlined functionality, and a focus on astronaut comfort. One of the most striking features is the suit's lightweight, form-fitting design. Unlike the bulky, heavy spacesuits of the past, the Crew Dragon suit is made from reinforced, flexible materials that allow for better movement. The suit doesn't just look sleek, it is sleek, made to minimize bulk and maximize usability. The suit's inner layers are constructed with pressure-resistant materials, which help to protect astronauts in the vacuum of space. This was a critical challenge for SpaceX engineers, ensuring that the suit would offer the same level of protection as older suits, but without the heavy, uncomfortable bulk. They accomplished this by creating an advanced system of seamless pressure regulation, using cutting-edge materials that keep astronauts safe while allowing them to move more freely. One particularly innovative aspect of the design is the helmet. It's not just a simple protective piece, it's a high-tech, custom fit that ensures the astronaut can see and communicate easily. The helmet is equipped with internal lighting and a built-in communication system, all integrated into the suit's design so that astronauts can focus on their mission without the distractions of tangled wires or bulky attachments. When designing a spacesuit for modern space travel, the challenges were far more than just aesthetics. SpaceX had to ensure that their suit could withstand the immense vacuum of space, offer protection from radiation, and regulate the astronaut's temperature. But beyond these fundamental needs, SpaceX also sought to address the suit's mobility, something that previous spacesuit designs often struggled with. Astronauts need to be able to move freely within the spacecraft, operate controls, and interact with various systems. In the past, astronauts often complained that their suits restricted their range of motion, making even the simplest tasks difficult. SpaceX's spacesuit solved this problem by introducing articulated joints and advanced materials that allowed for much greater flexibility. This allowed astronauts to perform tasks within the spacecraft with ease, improving their ability to work and ensuring their comfort during long missions. Another key feature is the life support system, a critical aspect of any spacesuit. SpaceX integrated this directly into the suit, ensuring that astronauts have access to oxygen, temperature control, and waste management without relying on cumbersome, separate systems. The suit's inbuilt communication system allows astronauts to communicate with each other and with mission control with ease, while the electrical and life support systems are fully integrated, making the suit less of a burden and more of an extension of the astronaut. SpaceX's spacesuit didn't emerge in a vacuum. It was the result of years of collaboration with NASA, the space agency that has decades of experience in human spaceflight. The Crew Dragon suit was designed with the NASA Commercial Crew Program in mind, a partnership that allowed SpaceX to develop a spacecraft and a spacesuit that would meet the rigorous standards required for missions to the International Space Station. However, the success of the Crew Dragon suit is just the beginning. As SpaceX pushes the boundaries of human space exploration, they're also rethinking how spacesuits will work for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The Starship program, SpaceX's vision for interplanetary travel, will require even more advanced spacesuits, suits that can withstand the harsh conditions of deep space, provide protection on the Martian surface, and keep astronauts safe on the Moon. As we look toward the future of human space exploration, it's clear that SpaceX's influence on spacesuit design will be felt for years to come. The Crew Dragon spacesuit is a symbol of what's possible when engineering meets visionary thinking, and it's a glimpse into the future of space travel. The spacesuit may seem like a small detail in the grand scheme of space exploration, but in reality, it's one of the most critical elements in enabling astronauts to venture beyond Earth. And thanks to SpaceX's innovative design, the Crew Dragon spacesuit is helping to make space travel more practical, safer, and more comfortable for astronauts on their historic journeys. In the end, the suit is more than just protection. It's a symbol of progress, a reminder that we're not just stepping into space, but into a new era of exploration. With the innovations brought by SpaceX, the future of human spaceflight has never looked more promising.